15 is on time and stress management. If you were to make a list of things at work that you hate to do, it would likely align to those that you procrastinate. If the items on the list are managed correctly, it will help you with both time and stress management. For example, think of a way that you can make a task more pleasurable, like playing music while doing the task, or timing yourself to see how fast you can accomplish the task with top quality. A more conventional way to keep track of time is to create a time log. The log will reveal your productive and unproductive tasks. From this, you will be able to rearrange your day. For example, my doctor once told me that she blocked her schedule to return calls at the end of each day. She enjoyed making calls, so she rewarded herself by leaving calls until the end of the day. In discussion 15, you will watch videos to learn more about time and stress management. I tried to find some creative ideas to share with you. You will watch the videos and then share examples from your personal life with your classmates. In Project 15, you will try out tools, then reflect on your personal time and stress management skills. It's time to now move on to discussion 15, followed by Project 15.